Hey everyone, it's me again, Erin. Welcome to Module 2. We're already in our second week. In this video, I'm going to walk you through Module 2's activities and assignments and also give you a few tips and reminders. Like every module, our first stop is the overview and the agenda. So here in the overview, you can see a really broad general overview of what we're going to be doing this week. And over here in the agenda, you can see the specific tasks you're going to be asked to complete this week. In this module, we'll be addressing learning objectives 3 and 4 from the syllabus, which focus on biological foundations of psychology, as well as sensation and perception. And then below, you'll see the list of tasks that you'll be asked to complete this week. Next, head on over to the lectures and readings folder. You'll see that this week's reading assignment focuses on chapter 3 and 4, which is neuroscience and sensation and perception. After that, you'll see that there's a short article called Windows to the Mind, which is focused on the intersection between psychology and art, which I think is pretty interesting. Essentially, it explains how art uses light and dark colors, depth perception, and other sorts of perceptual cues that you'll learn about in the chapters this week. After that, you'll see a video on optical illusions by a psychologist named Villado, which I think you'll find pretty interesting, especially for anybody interested in the visual system and how we see and especially how we perceive visual information. It's pretty cool. And then next, if you head over to the assignments folder, sorry, my internet's a little bit slow today, you'll see the weekly quiz, which covers our textbook readings, chapter 3 and 4. Here it is here. Like every weekly quiz that we'll have this semester, it consists of 10 questions. You'll have 30 minutes to complete all 10 of those questions. They're all multiple choice. And last but definitely not least is our Module 2 discussion board. As always, you'll have 2 prompts to respond to. This week, in one of the prompts, you'll be asked to find an optical illusion and explain why it's an optical illusion, which is always a fun one. In the other prompt, you'll be asked to explain how a concept from Chapter 3 applies to your own life. And then I just want to make a quick note about the discussion boards. You might want to take a look at how the discussion boards are graded if you haven't already. As I already mentioned, you're asked to respond to both of those prompts that I post there. Plus make a minimum of at least 3 responses back to your peers each week. Other requirements of the discussion board assignment includes things like making sure you make your first weekly post by 11:59 p.m. on Wednesdays every week. Make sure you post on at least 3 different days of the week so that we have sort of an ongoing discussion throughout the week and not just that everybody's posting on Sunday night. Doesn't make for a great discussion that way. And then the last one is that you should make sure you use at least 2 citations in your posts each week using APA writing style that you learned about in Module 1. You're welcome to use the textbook as the source for all your citations in this class. And the idea behind this requirement is to get students in the habit of backing up their writing with sources and evidence, which is commonplace for the field of psychology as well as other sciences. So just a general reminder, all of the Module 2 assignments and activities are due by Sunday, November 4th by 11:59 p.m. And of course, Halloween is this week, so I hope you all have a happy Halloween and a safe trick-or-treating if that's what you're going to do, and eat a lot of candy. And as always, if you have any questions, just shoot me an email. See you soon.